Hey everybody at Seat Pro Cleaner. My name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing. We're a marketing company in North Carolina, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things we'll cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I have your site pulled up here. So content is going to be anything that you can see here. That does also include the pictures, what your pictures are saved as, and what's behind the pictures as well. So Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on your homepage. And it looks like you all do have a good amount of content here. You would just want to make sure that you are integrating those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. So you can work that into your content. You can save pictures on your site as those words or phrases, but you would definitely want to put those in there. That's going to help you to rank. But it is a very nice site. I like the layout of everything. It's very user-friendly and organized, so awesome job there. And we'll go ahead and move on. The next thing is going to be citations. And I pulled up a quick search here of cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So what a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And by directories, I mean things like Facebook, which you all have, which is great, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in their business details and services. And with the citations, you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed, and you would want to grab those listings for yourself as well. But you wouldn't just want to stop there. So for example, if your competition has 10 citation listings, you would want to get 20 or 40. That way you're even dominating them in that space, but also it will help you to rank high here as well. So next up is backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So for example, say that you all did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But that link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning companies that basically signal to Google that that is the industry that you are in and that you are trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but it's also going to be a lot more powerful to Google because it's relevant to your industry. So I did pull up one of the tools that I use here, and I did put you all's website into it. It's not showing any data for you, but just to kind of give you a visual representation of what we're talking about, I did pull up one of your top competitors here. So it's showing that they have 23 referring domains, which is giving them 46 backlinks, getting them found for 213 keywords, and that's driving about 50 people to their site monthly. And let's just pull up their keywords here and we'll kind of see what they're using. So we are looking for buyer intent keywords. So anything that someone is going to think to type into the search bar when they're looking for your services. And we'll also pay attention to this section here. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched monthly. So we would be looking for things like this: cleaning services, Lancaster, PA. So that is the industry, but then it also has the location that they're targeting. They're also ranking for house cleaning, Lancaster, PA. Cleaning Lancaster, PA. Just goes to show you that you can kind of use the same word or term as long as it's a variation of it, and it will count as a whole new keyword for you. So it looks like they do have a lot of keywords, and I won't bore you with going through all of them. But again, it does just kind of give you an idea of the types of things that you would want to work in to your content on your site. And ultimately, in order to beat out your competition, you really just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. But again, you do not just want to stop there. You want to continuously build onto it, and far surpass whatever they're doing. That way, you're going to get on that first page of Google, but your competition is not going to even stand a chance of catching up with you at that point. But that is all that I have for you all today. I hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. And thank you again for your time. I hope you have a great rest of your day.